Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary the Bearded Woodworker. I'm kind of excited. I got an email from GoPro and they have a brilliant marketing campaign, I guess you could call it. If you turn in one of your old GoPro cameras, they will give you $100 off of their new Hero7 Silvers or the Hero7 Black. Which means the silver is 200 and the black is 300. Unfortunately, I'm unable to do the black. I really desired it more, I think, but it was just an extra $100 I didn't have. And that was a $400 camera minus the $100, which made it 300. So it wasn't 300 minus 100, making it 200. So the silver is a $300 camera. And I got $100 off by shipping out my old GoPro, which is a Hero 3. So I'm kind of behind the times there. I am not going to send any accessories or anything, but I am going to make sure that I take my little micro SD card out of here. It's a 32 gig card. I don't want to give them that. I don't even know what's on there. And we're going to box it up. They sent me out a shipping label, so it's a free shipping, and I'm going to box it up, send it out to them. Once they receive it, then they'll charge my account the $200 that they said, and then I should get my camera within 14 days, also free shipping. So I'm excited, and once I receive it, I'm going to open it up for you that you'll be able to see it here and show you the different qualities on the camera. So right now I'm recording on my Samsung. I don't even know what I have anymore. It's my phone, and it is a Note 8, I think. So I'm going to overkill this package, even though they're probably not even going to use this camera that I'm sending them. But anyway, I just want to make sure they get it in case they have some kind of used program where they can sell it to people for less money. Then we'll go for that. Oh, I can't forget. I have to put in the packing slip before they send it to me. Hold on. Okay, so when you do the purchase, they give you a RMA, the return authorization form. You want to make sure you print that out and you put it in the box as well. I'll set that right there. Cool, here it is. I'm gonna throw it in a FedEx box or go to a FedEx place, and then 2 weeks later, I'll unbox my camera. Like this. Oh, wait a minute. That's what's supposed to happen. Why'd the lights go out? Ah, crap. Maybe I should try it again. Orle vato! What's happening? Oh! Wait a minute. That's not right either. Hey, that's not right either. What the? Why do I have a gun in my hand? Why am I talking like a pirate? Ah! What the hell? Ariel! God damn it, what the? Wait, what the f***? Alright, this is getting a bit ridiculous here. Alright, damn it. This is getting a bit ridiculous. One more time. Well, that didn't work out.
Guess what?
What?
We got a package.
Ah, I got a package. I guess it's been 2 weeks now. Thanks, brother. So, this now should be my GoPro. I hope. Man, that was crazy. I don't really know what happened. My knife is dull. Oh, okay. Got my receipt. There it is. And what I like about this compared to my other GoPro, oh yeah, it's got a screen on the back of it. So, I'm gonna bring you in a little closer. I feel like there's some accessories in there. It feels like it should just slide open, but it's not just sliding open. Charger, couple of little sticky mounts there. I feel like I'm gonna have to destroy the box. It's not. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Ooh, it's got a nice little. I don't know. It doesn't feel like rubber. I thought it was rubber. Man, that sucker's on there too. Oh, it's just stuck. Right. Well, it's not going back. I destroyed the box. But my other GoPro, I kept this because it makes a great stand. And if you put some sticky tape on it, you could even put that on your dashboard or something. So remove this. Remove that, it says right back here. How do you remove it though? Break it? I guess you just break it. And keep the little rubber bumper there, I suppose. I'm gonna put it back in. Maybe. Maybe you need to lift that. Oh, I thought you do. So it's a little lock, I guess. This little rubber part here is a lock. Oh! Oh! I gotta get rid of this sticker so I can see it. So yeah, look at that. It is a little, your little mounting case. And then how do you take that off? Oh, it's so tiny. But I'm excited to get going on this and read the instructions. Oh, it's so small. So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to show you guys the difference between what I've been using right now is my Galaxy Note 8. And so that's the quality of the film that's happening right now. And the next thing I'll show is the quality of this GoPro Hero7 Silver. Stick around. Oh, no, I shouldn't do that. All right, so now you can see my messy garage. And I'll have to fix my camera gantry. Not sure how the audio is going to be. I don't think I'll be able to use my wireless lapel mic. Oh, this is all like wide angle. Like, is this what I want? I wonder if I can change that. But I'm trying to see what the quality of the video is like. Whoa, look at that crappy garage. All right. So now I will actually do a shot like this too, and see what it looks like, because it looks like there's a wide angle on it. I'm not sure if that's a setting or not, but I'll check it out. Anyways, look forward to some more videos with me using my new GoPro Silver 7. And this is the Bearded Woodworker. I'm out. See you guys.